In the superlative degree, the adjective is said to be in superlative degree if it shows the comparison of the highest degree for more than two nouns or pronouns. Superlative degree हम कब use करते हैं? When we are talking about any noun or pronoun in the highest degree. Means कोई किसी एक चीज़ का comparison हम कितनी सारी चीज़ों के साथ, persons के साथ अगर हम कर रहे हैं. For example, Nikhil is the shortest of all boys in the class. Here you are comparing Nikhil with all the boys of the class. Next is Garima is the prettiest girl in the neighborhood. Here we are comparing Garima with all the girls in the neighborhood. So in the superlative degree, we compare one noun or pronoun with so many nouns or pronouns. The superlative adjective takes the definite article the before it. And superlative degree में हम एडजेक्टिव के साथ एडजेक्टिव के पहले हम द लगाते हैं. कौन सा आर्टिकल लगाते हैं? वी ऑलवेज यूज द आर्टिकल द बिफोर राइटिंग द एडजेक्टिव्स इन सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. Now comparison of more than two things or persons. Anil has a big house. Tom has a bigger house. Ajay has the biggest house. So when we compare more than two things, persons or animals, we write est form of the adjectives. We use the with the est form of the adjective. Some adjectives in the superlative degree can't take est, so we add most before them. Okay, so superlative degree में हम क्या करते हैं? हम adjective के साथ est लगाते हैं. And if some adjectives and if in some adjectives we can't add est, जिन adjectives में हम est नहीं लगा सकते, we always add most with them before that adjective. Okay, so ऐसे adjectives के साथ हम more लगाते हैं जिन adjectives के साथ हम est end में नहीं लगाते. And most कहाँ लगता है? Before the adjective. Now there are some adjectives in 1, 2 and more persons. Fat, fatter, fattest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Young, younger, youngest. Cheap, cheaper, cheapest. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Expensive, more expensive, most expensive. Handsome, more handsome, most handsome. Kind, kinder, kindest. Great, greater, greatest. Fine, finer, finest. Happy, happier, happiest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Large, larger, largest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Useful, more useful, most useful. Bright, brighter, brightest. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Much, more and most. Now you can see that in this table, in this part, we are talking about only one person or thing. इस part में हम two persons के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. And in this one we are talking about more than two persons. You can see that कुछ adjectives में हमने यहाँ पे er साथ में लगाया है. एंड कुछ एडजेक्टिव्स के साथ हमने कंपैरेटिव डिग्री में मोर लगा दिया है एंड सुपरलेटिव डिग्री में मोस्ट लगा दिया है. एंड सम एडजेक्टिव्स आर कम्प्लीटली चेंज्ड, जैसे गुड, बेटर, बेस्ट, बैड, वर्स, वर्स्ट, लिटिल, लेस, लीस्ट, मच, मोर एंड मोस्ट. ओके, सो इन दिस वे यू हैव टू लर्न ऑल दीज एडजेक्टिव्स. Now in this activity on page number 59 you have to write down the adjectives in comparative and superlative degree. Big, bigger, biggest. Tall, taller, tallest. Young, younger, youngest. Old, older, oldest. Happy, happier, happiest. Long, longer, longest. Great, greater, greatest. High, higher, highest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Now in the next activity you have to write down the missing degree of adjective. Okay, so in some groups either positive degree will be given to you and you have to write down comparative or superlative degree. Now first one is already done for us, bad, worse, worst. Now only the superlative degree of the next one is given to us, best. So in the positive degree it will be good, and it in the comparative degree it will be better. So good, better, and best. Next is beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Dutiful, more dutiful, most dutiful. Loyal, more loyal, most loyal. Okay, the word loyal is given to us, so it means loyal will come in the positive degree and more loyal will come in the comparative degree. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Wonderful, more wonderful, most wonderful. So next is more careful is given to us, and its positive degree will be careful, and its superlative degree will be most careful. Next is late, more late, most late. Next is honest, more honest, most honest. Interesting, more interesting, most interesting. Precious, more precious, most precious. Again, in the last activity of from this chapter, you have to write down the correct degree of adjectives using the hints given to us in the bracket. Today is dash day of the year. Again, in this sentence you can see that we are talking about one day with comparison to rest of the days of the year. Okay, so it will be hottest. Today is the hottest day of the year. Reena is prettier than Renu. We are comparing two girls. It means prettier will come. Anil is the strongest boy in the class. We are comparing Anil with the rest of the boys of the class, so we will write down strongest. Yesterday's match was the most exciting match of the series. Okay, we are comparing one match with the rest of the matches of the series, so we will write down. It will be coming in the superlative degree, and the correct adjective will be most exciting. Mr. Nath is the most important person in the colony. The grasshopper was lazier than the ant. When we are talking about one person, we use the positive degree. When we are talking about two person, places, animal, or things, we use the comparative degree. And when we are comparing one person, place, animal, or thing with so many persons, places, animals, or things, we use the superlative degree. Anuj is the most obedient child in the class. Here we are comparing Anuj with the rest of the students in the class, so it will be superlative degree. Sonia is the most clever girl in the class. Again, we are comparing Sonia with rest of the girls in the class, so we will use the comparative degree, that is superlative degree, most clever. Deepak is younger than Ila. So we are comparing two people, so we will use the comparative degree, and the adjective given to us is young, and its comparative degree will be younger. This snake is the longest snake I have ever seen. Okay, so you must have seen so many snakes. आपने लाइफ में कितने snakes देखे होंगे, but you are saying that ये snake सबसे ज़्यादा longest है. So superlative degree will come, and the superlative degree of long is longest. So with this activity, our chapter number 2 is complete. So thank you, students. Have a good day.